No way! They came out so cute and ridiculously fun. This is me, and this is my friend Daniel. Honestly, making these felt like cheating.
I just dropped them into an AI 3D model and boom! Instantly turned them into proper 3D prints. Zero struggle, just pure instant creation. AI 3D modeling has come a long way over the last few years. What once required hours of modeling, texturing, and cleanup can now be done in just a matter of minutes. But here's the thing, generating a 3D model is easy. Generating one that's actually usable is a completely different story. That's why Meshy has become one of the most talked about platforms in the AI 3D space. And with the release of Meshy 6, they're pushing things even further. Sharper, hard surface models, cleaner geometry, better character generation, improved textures, low poly optimization for game development,
and a growing set of tools designed to take creators from a simple idea to a production-ready 3D asset faster than ever before.
On top of that, Meshy now supports workflows like multi-image to 3D generation, custom poses, 3D to video creation, and even multicolor 3D printing. So the question is, can it actually deliver on all of those promises?
In this video, we're going hands-on with Meshy 6. We'll test its latest features, generate a variety of models, examine the quality, and see how far AI 3D modeling has really come. Let's jump in.
The Meshy platform, which you're probably already familiar with, has just received several powerful new updates that are definitely worth checking out. Now, you have two different ways to start your project. The first one is quick generation, where you can simply start with an image and create your 3D model easily. I'll test this along with the other features later. But the really exciting part is agent mode. Here you only need to describe your project and add reference images if needed. Then you can choose your preferred AI models for 3D generation and image creation, and let Meshy's intelligent agent plan and handle the entire process for you. It asks you any questions needed to better understand your idea and improve the final result. It carefully considers all the details, and at the end, you can get a complete 3D model without dealing with complicated workflows, tools, or writing complex prompts. However, I want to start in a more professional and advanced way. Here, we can easily use Nano Banana or GPT Image 2 to create our initial image. Just write a prompt, adjust the settings, and generate. There's also an option that can create multiple views of your subject. If you're generating a character, you can choose whether you want it in an A pose or T pose. You can also add reference images for better accuracy. In the model section, you can use the simplest workflow and generate a 3D model directly from text. There are two different generation types here, which I'll test later. But one of the coolest new features is auto split. When enabled, it creates two separate models for you. The first one is a complete unified model that you can easily texture or edit. The second one is a high detail version with separated parts, which is perfect for 3D printing. Now, let's test the image we created. After uploading the image, you can remove the background to focus completely on the character and improve accuracy. If you choose the standard mode, Meshy will generate a highly detailed 3D model, making it perfect for 3D printing or still renders. But with smart topology, you can automatically create an optimized model designed for games and animation. The multi-view, auto-split, and pose options that we've already seen are also available here, and they work really well. You can even design custom poses for your characters and apply them directly. This is another really cool new feature. I also recommend enabling image enhancement to get better results. And just like that, our model is ready. You can fully inspect it, check the polygon count, and see how the geometry is structured. If you want to customize the polygon count or change the topology, you can either use the remesh option or try smart topology. With Meshy T1, you can choose whether your model uses quad or triangle topology. And with Meshy T2, you can adjust the polygon count anywhere from 100 up to 150,000 polygons. As you can see, the result is much lighter while preserving almost all the important details, exactly what we expected. Texturing in Meshy is also extremely simple. You can create textures using either a text prompt or image references. The textures can go up to 8K resolution and provide excellent quality. If your model needs UV unwrapping, that can also be done here with just one click. Just keep in mind that the topology needs to be set to triangle mode and the polygon count should be below 40,000. There is also a really interesting section where you can rig and animate your character. It's very simple. First, select the character type. Then, if needed, adjust the joint positions using these markers. After that, you can choose any animation from the built-in library and apply it directly to your character. If you're completely satisfied with the result and don't need any further changes, you can download the model along with all assets. There are multiple file formats available, so you can easily import it into other 3D software and environments. In the Print tab, you also get useful tools to prepare your model for 3D printing. Besides auto split, which we already tested, you can use multicolor paint to separate different parts of your character with different colors. And the final feature allows you to add a custom base for your sculpture. And now your model is completely ready to be exported into any platform or software you want. One more thing before we wrap up, Meshy is currently offering 50% off both the Pro and Premium plans. So if Meshy is part of your workflow, now's probably the best time to grab it before the discount is gone. I hope you found this useful. Until next time, stay creative.